please welcome TJ the Power Doherty.
Hindi rin pala basta-basta ang boksingerong si Teji Doheny dahil ang malapit na kaibigan ni Naoya Inoue na si Javit Lilamido na tumalo kay Inoue sa kanilang sparring ay first round lang ang itinagal kay Teji Doheny. Brutal na pagkatalo ang sinapit ng kaibigan ni Inoue. Matutunghayan natin ang laban ni Naoya Inoue kontra kay Juan Carlos Payano noong October 7, 2018 sa Yokohama, Japan, na kung saan malaki ang pagkakahawig ng estilo kay Teji Doheny ang kalaban ni Inoue, pero nagwagi pa rin si Naoya Inoue sa isang brutal na panalo. Eto naman ang laban ni Teji Doheny kontra sa maalamat na Meksikano na si Jesus Martinez. Sa husay ni Teji Doheny ay nawasak ang Meksikano. Sa loob lamang ng 5 round ng kanilang bakbakan, knockout ang Meksikanong kalaban.
Suarez, and that one's obviously put him over. Step back, bang. There wasn't much in the first one.
Really was. I've chatted to him and the team quite a bit over the course of the week. We just kept on.
Noong labanan naman ni Naoya Inoue si Stephen Fulton, nag-iba na talaga ang galawan ni Inoue. Bagamat kampyon at dekalibring boksingero si Stephen Fulton, ay nagawa pa rin ni Naoya Inoue na siya ay patumbahin at wasakin, dahilan upang itigil na ng referee ang kanilang laban. Eto naman ang laban na kung saan tinalo ni Teji Doheny ang pinakasikat na Hapon na boksingero noon sa Japan na si Ryusuke Iwasa ang nag-knockout kay Marlon Tapales. Bugbog sarado dito ang Hapon na boksingero dahil kay Teji Doheny napigilan niya ang pagsikat nito.
championships. Doheny 19-0, 14 knockout of fight. Looking to become a serious contender. That's what you gotta do. And now fast and furious. You can hear them. Remarkable story pertaining to Doheny. Left being challenged, goes being pushed here. Then he has to keep the title. And now a nation with a pair of uppercuts that gets Doheny momentarily. Much even, 29 to 28% of the champion Owasa. And a strong body shot to the left side. And Doheny says to Owasa, show me something, champion. 3 seconds left in this 8th round. He should tie up. A straight jab met by the over left by the southpaw in Doheny. Last for career. Championship round, baby. Better be talking, motivating, finding Doheny in the corner. Awesome, the uppercut. Overhead rises. Now he's got Doheny falling to the ground. Doheny's lightning bolt out of the sky. He's going to need a blind punt. Doheny trying to establish. That's what he's trying to do. Body shot. You see what he's trying to do? Seemingly a desperate man with 35 seconds left to go. This is Owasa looking to hold on to the title. His 12th and final round of this championship bout.
El champion, TJ, the power.
Isa sa pinaka-impresibong laban ni Naoya Inoue ay ang labanan niya si Emmanuel Rodriguez ng Puerto Rico. Pero katulad ng sinapit ng ibang boksingero, round number 2 lang din ang sinapit niya sa hapon na boksingero. Bata pa dito si Naoya Inoue, kaya baka ngayong may edad na si Inoue, baka masilat na siya ni Doheny.
Spectacular. Oh, man. Almost a macho battle in these 40 seconds. Good sinking shot to the body from Wispy. Heavy bombs have landed already. Rodriguez, I think, from the go. That's the way it should be, Carl. Yeah. No, there's lower birds and I in a way just on the fade on. Rodriguez has a man who is used to being on his feet. We anticipated the more score and solid punches have come from Andre and around though Manny Rodriguez. Oh, this way. This way. And he's with he's in a fearsome flurry. And he's down. He's got him in the left. And his career. Rodriguez in the second. In the right above us, he'll dust down. He's ready to go again. Is Rodriguez. Here comes Inoue. Don't take much more than that. Surely Rodriguez is shaking it. Get your gloves up. Inoue's waiting. Minutes to go, Joe. This is unbelievable for Inoue. 3rd time he's gone down. Roll to the core. Another count. It's over. Zander waves it off in the second. Shoto Japanese. Lights out. Defiably so. We wonder what would happen when he came out of Japan. We would have reproduced his landed. Rodriguez shuddered. First knockdown, Carl. That was a great swell to get up there from. Oh, what a shot. And a big long there too.
Eto na talaga ang exclamation point nang in-knockout ni TJ Doheny ang best friend ni Inoue na si Japit Lilamido. Ito yung napabalitang tumalo kay Naoya Inoue sa kanilang sparring, kaya mahihirapan talaga dito si Naoya Inoue kay TJ Doheny. Isa ka rin ba sa naniniwala na ito na ang katapusan ni Naoya Inoue sa professional boxing at si Teji Doheny na ang nakatadhana